Can I go to jail for speeding? My name is Brian L. Jackson. I'm a Tulsa attorney with the Worth Law Office. Today we're going to talk quickly about whether or not you could be incarcerated in jail for speeding. Well, short answer is many of the speeding crimes do in fact carry jail time. Now, a couple of things to bear in mind. If you aren't going real fast, more likelihood you're probably not going to go to jail. If you are going fast, you could go to jail. Tulsa, the city of Tulsa recently has been cracking down on that. And I've talked about this in the past in my videos. If you get caught doing over 100, there's a decent possibility they will recommend jail time. If you are facing jail time on a ticket, you do have a jury trial right, and it may be something you want to exercise depending on the circumstances, and that's a decision to be made carefully. It's not a snap decision because there's a risk with going to a jury. If a jury convicts you and sentences you to jail, the odds are you're going to do time. There is hope. I'm not. The other side of this is that if you deal with them correctly, you get a speeding ticket, the odds are you probably not go to jail. You may wind up paying some fines. You may wind up having to do some kind of a driver's improvement class or something. You may have to do community service, depending on the severity of the infraction. But you don't. It's not. It's not something to panic over. It is something to be aware of. And this is where you really want to get a good lawyer if you do get a speeding ticket, especially if you're dealing with one where it's like a higher amount of speed over. Like if you're more than a 1 to 10, you probably want to look at getting a lawyer because of the potential consequences. And one place you can find a good lawyer is at makelawEasy.com. And guys, we'll help you out.